Shah Rukh Khan said, "Virat Kohli is like his son-in-law," while showering his love on him. Bollywood actor Shah Rukh Khan has curated a huge fan base for himself, owing to his incredible acting skills. Currently, the actor is busy in absorbing the adulation pouring in from every nook and corner of the Bollywood industry, for his noteworthy performance in his latest release, Jawan. During a recent session with his fans, the Bollywood king was asked to give an opinion on Virat Kohli in Jawan style. Responding to the same, Shah Rukh Khan, who is known to give witty replies during the sessions, told the fan that Virat Kohli is like a son-in-law to him. Shah Rukh Khan was also asked by another fan to wish India luck for the World Cup. Replying to it, the actor hailed India and tweeted, "All the best to the boys, have a great World Cup. All the best." The Bollywood king is currently basking in the success of his latest release, Jawan, which also stars Nayanthara, Sanya Malhotra. Recently, Shah Rukh Khan also confirmed the release date of his upcoming venture, Dunki, and said that the movie will hit the big screen during Christmas.